video is different. It's not here to inspire you. It's here to delete the submissive version of you. But before I do that, you need to understand something. Your mind has been programmed for weakness. Your need for approval, installed. Your fear of confrontation, engineered into you. Your habit of backing down, it's not natural. It was coded. But today, we overwrite it. This is how you install mental dominance. A complete system reboot that turns you into someone who commands respect, controls situations, and bends reality to their will. By the end of this video, your old self will be unrecognizable. Let me tell you something that will change how you see power forever. You were never meant to follow. Submission is not natural. It is not something you were born with. It was programmed. The way you seek approval before speaking, the way you dim your presence in rooms, the way you defer to others automatically, none of these are who you are. They are mental viruses that were installed into you over time without your permission. Think about it. When you were a child, you commanded attention naturally. You took what you wanted. You didn't ask for permission to exist. You simply existed, loudly and unapologetically. But then, slowly, the programming began. You were told, don't be too much, wait your turn, be humble. These commands didn't just enter your mind. They embedded themselves into your operating system. The more you obeyed them, the stronger they became. And over time, they became so automatic that you stopped questioning them. But here's the truth. What has been installed can be uninstalled. If submission, people-pleasing, and weakness are viruses, then dominance, authority, and control are viruses too. The only difference? You get to choose which one you install. Right now, your mind is running slave software. Programming designed to keep you compliant, not commanding. And if you want to lead conversations, dominate negotiations, and make people respect you on sight, then it's time to introduce a new program. Installing the dominance virus, the 3-part mental upgrade. A virus rewrites code, and that's exactly what we're about to do. Rewrite the way your brain perceives power and authority. Here are the 3 new commands you must install. Command 1. You do not seek permission, you take position. Most people wait to be invited into conversations. They hesitate to take the lead. They look around for approval before acting. This is slave programming. Delete it now. The new command is this: enter every space like you own it. Speak first in group settings. Make decisions without consulting the room. Take the head of the table, literally and metaphorically. Your brain will resist. It will scream, "Who do you think you are?" Ignore it. That's the old virus trying to survive. Act dominant before you feel dominant. Your nervous system will adapt. Your presence will shift. People will sense the change immediately. Command 2. You control the frame. Always. Every interaction has a frame, a set of unspoken rules about who leads and who follows. Most people enter someone else's frame and play by their rules. That's why they lose. The new programming is, you set the rules. If someone challenges you, don't defend. Reframe. If someone tries to control the conversation, redirect it. If someone tests your boundaries, hold firm without explanation. Frame control is the difference between being dominated and being dominant. Master it, and you master every interaction. Command 3. Your emotions do not leak, your power does. Dominance isn't about aggression, it's about unshakable composure. When you react emotionally, you hand control to whoever triggered you. That's weakness. The new rule. You feel everything, you show nothing. When someone insults you, you don't flinch. When someone threatens you, you don't escalate. You simply observe. Respond strategically. Make them work harder while you remain calm. This is psychological warfare, and calm always defeats chaos. The 7-day dominance installation. For the next 7 days, run this protocol. Day 1. Enter every room first. Take position immediately. Day 2. Speak first in every group conversation. Day 3. Make one decision without seeking approval. Day 4. Hold eye contact until others look away. Day 5. Say no without explanation to one request. Day 6. Redirect one conversation that others are controlling. Day 7. Sit in silence while others fill the space. By the end of the week, you'll notice something powerful. People defer to you automatically. Conversations bend around your presence. Respect becomes your default. Your mind is a machine. Control the software. Control the outcome. Now install the upgrade.